Welcome back, and in the previous video I gave these questions as homework for you. So to begin, the first question already had discussed. So we have a solution, and as I mentioned earlier also, please remember the question. I mean, if this question is asked here, tan inverse of, and what are the terms we find, ಮೇಲೆ question ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. Whether the question is prove that or simplify or solve for x. Still the last one more pattern, solve for x, we are not discussed, but always read the question properly, and according to the question think about the find the value, evaluate, simplify or prove or solve for x. That's a very important one where normally students will go wrong. So the first one we have discussed. To begin the second question, I hope you people have solved the question. So you'll be selecting here sec theta. Put x square sec theta, so we are left with the secant square theta minus 1. Left out within a root, if I'll simplify, we have tan theta, the final part. So I should say it is cot theta. And cot can be taken back to, I should say, tan of 90 minus theta. Even you can prefer to go for cosec also here. Ili cosec tondu kuda in tappenilla. So I have taken it here according to sec function only, and I try to justify it here. So we are left with once again, nodi cot bali co-function bandru kuda hedrongilla. You can go for co-function bantu antandre tan ige co-function cot ide. cot ಗೆ co-function tan ಇದೆ, sin ಗೆ cos, cos ಗೆ sin, ಮತ್ತೆ sec ಗೆ cosec, cosec ಗೆ sec. So ಆತರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ you can straight away claim for this formula. Tan of 90 minus theta or sin of 90 minus theta, and accordingly. So back to, I should say, it is pi by 2 minus theta. We're left with pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You know it very well. What do you mean by pi by 2 minus sec inverse x? You know, property. Property is sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So our property will apply madidre final answer be left out with, I should say, it is cosec inverse x only. Got it? So il cosec substitute madabodittu, illa sec inverse, any one function will definitely lead to the same answer. Okay? So okay, I had done it here once again. Or so here we find cosec theta, and therefore we have the term. Final conclusion, it is cosec inverse x. So next question here we find third one I gave you, tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Right from beginning I am highlighting you 1 minus cos x ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಬೇಕು? It is 2 sin square. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದೇ x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ, half of that. That is x by 2. 1 plus cos x goes to 2 cos square x by 2. So within a root I find all the terms. So I think earlier also we discussed, maybe similar pattern question we discussed. Well, left out with final answer, I should say, it is x by 2. The next question, fourth one, it is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x upon so and so. And this is a very common situation. Okay, whenever we get such type of term, always think about denominator valage first term. This term should be 1. That is, normally we say divide throughout by cos x. So divide throughout by cos x madkondre cos by cos 1 minus sin by cos tan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, we are left with 1 plus tan x. And this situation, right from beginning I am speaking about this formula, same formula, that is which already we discussed, tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y, which can be taken as tan inverse x minus tan inverse, ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ, tan inverse ಬರೀರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ tan x ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. tan x will act as y now. So tan inverse of tan x anta agutte. We are left out with pi by 4 minus x. This is the final simplification part for this given function. So the next question here we find fifth one, tan inverse of x upon root of a square minus x square. And earlier also discussed, this a square can be taken as, you can consider it as in a 1 minus x square anta nodkoli. 1 minus x square. So the chart also I discussed the same. So 1 minus x square irbodu athwa a square minus x square irbodu, sin theta comes in your mind. But a coefficient na balance ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, and for this you should remember, put x is equal to, it is not simply sin theta, I should say the coefficient a sin theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು cos ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, either sin or cos, any one will work out for this. So once we claim here, we are left out with a sin theta, denominator I should say it is root of a square minus a square sin square theta. Substitution I had done it here, a square common, we are left out with 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta, root alide, everything has simplified for a cos theta. Simplifies to, a simplifies, we are left with sin by cos, that is cot theta, sorry, tan theta in this case. Illi ನೀವು cos ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ cot ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, but right now sin ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, and the whole simplification part has helped us. That is tan theta is going to, we're going to get the term here. And next step, I should say, we have tan inverse of tan theta, and final answer I should say it is sin inverse of x by a. Either you can, adane neevenaru cos tagondre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರು? Cos ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will be getting here pi by 2 minus cos inverse x by ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. What I said? Cos theta substitution claim ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be getting pi by 2 minus cos inverse x by a ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೇ ಮೂವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೀವೇನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Otherwise, all the properties they move hand in hand, and properly you should know where to apply, and after seeing the term you should be eligible to identify it. Identify ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಅಂತ. It's possible only by practice. Got it? And as I mentioned earlier also, this chapter will be supporting for calculus. So you have to be perfect with all the simplification part and everything. The next question here we find, it's tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube, denominator a cube minus 3a x square. So for this, I should say put x is equal to it is, along with the a coefficient to be balanced, I should say it is a tan theta. So theta replace ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ, it is x by a tan theta. So theta is tan inverse x by a. ನೋಡಿ x by a ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ angle, this is the domain part for this tan inverse. So by a ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ divide by a ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ whole divide by a ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. It is only domain of this inverse tan. So make use of bracket here. Tan inverse x by a. Proper presentation. So let me come back here with the substitution. We're left out with 3a square. It is a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta, as they say x cube, whole divided by a cube kept as it is, and ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ. We're left with 3a x square can be taken as a square tan square theta. Got it? Now numerator you can find a cube common, a cube common, which has simplified it. ಉಳಿಯೋದು 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, denominator a cube ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯಿತು and has been eliminated. ಉಳಿಯೋದು 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So the whole term reduces to now, the whole term resembles now tan 3 theta, which reduces to 3 theta, and therefore I find the answer 3 tan inverse x by a. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, whole divided by a ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. Okay, got it? So this should be the simplification part, simplification of the function. The next question, let me highlight here, is the last pattern. Okay, I hope you remember in my first class also I told you regarding the various pattern of the questions. So pattern of question throughout this chapter, in inverse trigonometry chapter ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಇವಿಷ್ಟು questions, and it carries 8 marks. Got it? So ಅಲ್ಲಿ domain and range is important. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್. Prove that question. There are so many questions on prove that, and this question is not difficult also, because question is also given, answer is also given. You have to reach to that RHS. Got it? So prove that question is quite easy because answer is there. Simplify ಅನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಾಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ and as and how you feel like you'll try to solve it for prove that, and whenever it is solved you'll try to prove it. Okay, this is a common mistake what you people will be doing. So that's why I gave you the pattern of questions. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೋತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. So under solve for x, let me go for a few questions here. Yeah, solve for x or solve the following equation. So first question nodi, tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ LHS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು tan inverse 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು pi by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾರಿ okay the question is solve for x only for particular values of x this equation will stand. So which are those values of x? That's the meaning. Got it? So when the question is asked for solve for x, take the whole. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು LHS ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು RHS ಇಲ್ಲ. It's a given equation. I repeat, it's an equation. So equation ತಗೋತೀರಾ given the whole equation. It's tan inverse of. Okay, I simplified here. I have taken the formula. It's tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y is equal to ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. This is pi by 4. So once we got this step, next I should say it is tan inverse can be taken on the other hand, or you can say balance both the side apply tan ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, and therefore we have, but short ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan inverse is transferred and I should say it is tan pi by 4 for which I know the value. So we are left out with 5x here towards LHS. We have 5x denominator 1 minus 6x square is equal to, I should say it is, we are solving the equation. We are solving the equation. Tan pi by 4 is nothing but, I should say it is 1. So cross multiplication I done it here. We have 5x. It's a equation to be solved. Cross multiply. We find 1 minus 6x square. And then followed by, I should say it is a minus 6x square has been taken towards LHS. We find 6x square plus 5x. We have minus 1 is equal to 0. A quadratic equation. Got it? In terms of x. So you know how to solve this equation, isn't it? So by factorization method, or even you can use the formula. Sridhar's formula nu kuda apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು lengthy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let's go for factorization only. 5 can be splitted as plus 6 and minus 1. We're left out with, I should say, 6 factors have been taken to fulfill the 5 requirement. Factorization rule has been applied here. So 5 has been balanced as plus 6 and minus 1. So I taken 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. First two terms, 6x is common. Would you the x plus 1? Here, between these two terms, I find minus 1 common. Left out with x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the factors available, x plus 1 as well as 6x minus 1. The two factor which will lead us the answer. If you want, you can write one more step also here. It's better. We're left out with x plus 1 as well as one more factor. 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So we are left out with x is equal to minus 1 as well as x is equal to 1 by 6. So these two are the solutions for this given equation. Got it? Okay. So this is the solution what they expect in your textbook. But normally ಈ ಎರಡು solutions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು solution ಮಾತ್ರ stand ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is an extra term I am teaching you here. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Just for your knowledge I am giving you. Got it? So the extra term ಆಗಿದೆ. Both the solutions are the solutions according to your textbook pattern. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಾಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ xy ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ, isn't it? So if I'll come for this condition x into y, this is 2x into 3x is nothing but, I should say it is 6x square, isn't it? So this condition is nothing but for the given term it is 6x square should be less than 1. E condition ge fulfill aguanta x value itself is the actual root. So whenever we solve the equation, all the roots should fulfill. It's not compulsory. Even in the previous examples also, when application comes, we know it very well. Okay, x cannot be the fraction, x should be the whole number, x should be natural number, depending upon the question we further proceed. So, ee question alli kuda, ee value, ee formula hakubekadre, we use a condition. So, I'm highlighting, I'm repeating, examining matra, iverdu solution nu bidtira, illige answer na wind up ಮಾಡಿ, hige bidtira. but just for extra information I'm giving you that both these solutions are not compulsory to exist over there. For that we are verifying. So one solution barta ide -1 anta. Let's verify -1 here. If x is equal to -1 has to occur, put it back here. So what we expect here, it is 6 into -1 whole square. Isn't it? So what is 6 into -1 whole square? This is nothing but I should say value 6. And my question is whether 6 is less than 1. True. False statement here. So is it true or false? False statement. So for this I should say that 6 is less than 1 naga e solution actually, okay, e equation ge fulfill agalo, this has to be actually rejected. But not mentioned in your text. That's why let me move for the NCERT syllabus. Whereas this solution, let's verify it here. If I'll go for 1 by 6, we're left out with it is 6 into, put it back in this condition, I should say. Here we find 1 upon, this is denominator square, I should go for it is 36. We're left out with it is 1 by 6. 1/6 is definitely less than 1. I mean it is true statement. So this solution is accepted. This solution is rejected anta agutte. Alright? But not required here. So exam ige ishtane ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, just remember that. Okay, so overall equation solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ remember this is, okay, when we solve this equation, this was inverse trigonometric equation, isn't it? This is inverse trigonometric equation which we have reduced it to here trigonometric equation, which we have further reduced it to an algebraic equation. Got it? So compulsory these all common steps will be approaching here. Inverse trigonometry functions, you have to convert it back to trigonometry, and for this wherever inverse functions you find, simplify it, transfer it, we reduce it to a trigonometry function, and once we find it to be a trigonometry function, then for after applying the trigonometry angles and everything value, we'll automatically convert it back to an algebraic equation. That algebraic equation, depending upon the degree you may find the number of roots. Got it? This is a common picture what we do it in this pattern of the question. So ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ question ಇದೆ, solve for x ಇದೆ question ಮೇಲೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ prove ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This question cannot be given for prove that ಅಂತ ಈ question ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಮೇಲೆ question ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ solve for x. The common heading I have given here, solve for x. So I have taken here LHS. It is tan inverse of 3x. Denominator 1 minus this into this 2x square is equal to tan inverse 3. It's a inverse trigonometric equation, which further I am converting it back to trigonometric equation. How? Tan inverse transferred, we have tan of tan inverse 3. So this trigonometry has been further applied. We are left out with an algebraic equation. So we are left with 3x denominator 1 minus 2x square is equal to 3. 3 gets eliminated. Uliyodu x cross multiply, we find 1 minus 2x square. So this balance it here, we find 2x square plus x minus 1. Be careful about the calculation part. Everything is okay. Last calculation olaga plus or minus gadbad madbidtira. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ careful ಮಾಡಿ. So this is an algebraic equation, a quadratic equation. Depending upon the degree, you expect 2 roots here. So let's go for factorization rule. Plus 1 has been splitted as plus 2 minus 1. Depending upon the factor, it's minus 2. So 2 factors have been taken to balance it here. Sign also to be considered. So in the first 2 terms, I find 2 common. We are left out with, okay, I think 2x is common here. Isn't it? 2x is common. Please make a note. It is 2x common. So we are left out with x plus 1. Here minus 1 is common. Why I went for this? Yeah, it's minus 1 common. So that we are left out with here x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are left out with x plus 1 as one factor. One more factor I should say it is 2x minus 1. I should say it is 2x minus 1. So the solutions are x is equal to minus 1, and one more solution I should say it is x is equal to, that's right, plus 1 by 2. It's 2x minus 1. Okay. So these are the 2 solutions for the given question x value. Again, extra ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು solution ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, which will fulfill this condition, only that will be considered, but no need to discuss here. This is a given question, solve for x, and this should be the answer according to your NCERT syllabus. Got it? So next question here we find the next term. We find tan inverse x plus tan inverse 1 minus x squared tan inverse 9 by 7. Given the whole equation, apply tan inverse formula. X plus 1 minus x, denominator 1 minus x into 1 minus x equal to tan inverse of 9 by 7. Okay, solve it from your side. You find an equation 9x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Factorization, and finally I should say the roots are inverse trigonometry to trigonometry, trigonometry to algebraic, and finally we got a solution. Please solve it from your side. The solutions respective roots are x equal to 1 by 3 as well as x equal to 2 by 3. Got it? So next question here we find, again the question is solve for x. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, so apart from tan inverse and nodi ready-made formula we have, but for sin inverse we don't have ready-made formula also. So what should be done? ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ tan inverse ತರಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ tan inverse ತರಬಹುದು, then you can approach, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The better option, as earlier also mentioned, this I'll claim it as an alpha angle, this I'll claim it as a beta, a different angle. So we're left with the sin alpha is x, sin beta is 2x. So cos alpha definitely I can wind up here root of 1 minus x square. Cos beta I can wind up here root of 1 minus this square, 4x square. Okay. So what is given for us? Given is this is alpha, this is beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 pi by 3 is a given question. So once for this is a given question for us, you can apply here. Yaar one the trigonometry function apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. Sin is also okay. Cos is also okay. Tan is also okay. Tan you don't prefer here because these are required given terms for us. So which will make it easy for us. So cos ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ sin ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, remember one hint. Whenever same functions are given, I mean sin inverse ಅಥವಾ cos inverse ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, you have to go for cos only here. You have to go for cos only. Why this has to be done ಅಂದಾಗ, ಮುಂದೆ algebraic equation solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ root has to occur at a stretch. Root has to occur at a stretch, which will further make it easy for squaring terms, for squaring and removing the square root symbol, and that algebraic equation will be solved easily. That's why hint to be remembered what I said, sin inverse or cos inverse ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೈನ್. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್. When you try it, you expand it, you will come across with root sign plus root sign. So twice you have to go for squaring. So quite, I should say, difficult for the solving of the equation. So remember this hint. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse ಕೊಟ್ರೆ alternate, ಅಥವಾ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ sin ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. sin. Clearly I am giving this hint. Remember this hint. Okay, everything cannot be given as a note ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Remember this hint. So alpha plus beta 2 pi by 3. I went for cos only. We are solving the equation. Prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, but we are solving the equation, so I have to go for cos only here. So cos of alpha plus beta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Let's go for expansion. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is equal to, we have minus 2 pi 1 by 2. Simplification to be done. Okay. So now put the value. Cos alpha is root. Cos beta is also root. Sin alpha is x. Sin beta is 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this whole term kept as it is. This term has been balanced. We're left out with it is minus 2x squared transferred. We find 2x squared minus 1 by 2. Now you can go for squaring both the sides. Squaring. This results to root vanished. Root vanished. ಉಳಿಯೋದು 1 minus x square into 1 minus 4x square. This has to be taken for whole square ನೋಡಿ. It's a minus b whole square. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. a minus b whole square. We have a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So this is a lower class mathematics only. Let's go for expansion here. Simplification ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. As in how you are perfect in simplification part, you please carry on. I went for a binomial multiplied with binomial. Expansion has been done. 1 into 1, 1. It's 1 minus 4x square here, minus 4x square. Minus x square has been taken here, minus x square. Minus into minus plus, we were left out with 4. X square into x square, x raised to 4. Towards RHS, we find 4x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 will get vanished. Will you the minus 2x square. Here 4x raised to 4, 4x raised to 4 will get eliminated. So left out I should say it is minus 5x square. This I taken here plus 2x square. This is of course plus 1 by 4. This is transferred minus 1 by 4. So simplification minus 3x square is equal to, we find minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 can be eliminated. Only the x square is equal to 1 by 4. So final answer should say it is x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Or you can say x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Split ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So this is how you are going to solve the given equation. Remember, ಈ root sign ಅನ್ನ eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ squaring is should and must. For this I gave one hint. Same functions are given. Apply cos. Alternate functions are given. Apply sine. That will lead you root sign at a stretch. Simple hint. Okay. So fourth question followed by, I think, yeah, fifth question here we find. It is a solve for x. Once again, prove that Allah. Solve for x. Sin inverse x minus cos inverse 2x equal to pi by 6. So sin inverse x is equal to alpha. Cos inverse 2x equal to beta. Cos beta, sin beta, everything. So what is given? Alpha minus beta is equal to pi by 6. Got it? So just now as I mentioned, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse, cos inverse, alternate function ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ function ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Sin ಅನ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ. So go for this sin. Okay? But it is possible, only thing twice you have to go for squaring and this root has to be eliminated carefully. That's why the better option I find here sin option. So once you find sin alpha cos beta, I go for expansion, you find it to be, and this root occurs at a stretch. This is required for us. This is possible if you go for that hint. So root has been transferred, just go for simplification, expansion, and algebraic equation, and finally I find the solution here, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Solve it from your side. Squaring has been done and we have claimed it here. Final answer x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 is a solution for this. So next question here we find it is tan inverse x plus 1 plus tan inverse x minus 1 is equal to cot inverse 1 by 2. Mere question no, solve for x. Yeah. So tan inverse is there. First thing what comes in your mind is the formula itself. Tan inverse x plus y, denominator 1 minus x into y is equal to, this can be taken as tan inverse 2. So we're left out with here tan inverse and tan inverse. I mean tan of tan inverse gets eliminated. It's as good as inverse trigonometry to trigonometry, trigonometry to back to algebraic equation. So 2 gets eliminated, cross multiply the terms. Okay, you find a second degree, a quadratic equation, factorization has been done. Finally, we find the solution x is equal to 1, or I should say x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is the last pattern of the question, solve for x. So actually here we come to an end of this chapter. Okay, but meanwhile let me go for exercise 2.1, 2.2 and miscellaneous has to be discussed. And of course exercise 2.1, from your text you can have a glance. Okay. So all the questions, worked examples, it's better to have a glance. So for textbook tagad nodi. Okay, so all the principal value, find the principal value of. Okay, so the question is, madam, ishtella expression kodbeka exam alli. For 1 mark, it is not required. Straight you can wind up the answer, and that's why to help you, again I given the solutions also right now. I'll be discussing. So exercise 2.1, find the principal value. Nodi, ishte questions kodta irodu. Find the principal value, pattern prakar hodre, domain and range na kelta idare. Evaluate. So remember domain and range, ee munchene warn ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So evaluate and the question, properties, prove that, simplify, solve for x. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ first question sin inverse minus 1 by 2. You direct 1 mark question, you need not to speak about everything. Straight away apply the property. That is minus sin inverse 1 by 2. That itself is minus 30 degree, or you can say in the radian measure minus pi by 6. Cos inverse root 3 by 2. Second question, it's pi by 6. Cosec inverse 2, you can write it as sin inverse 1 by 2. Answer is 30 degree, or I should say it is pi by 6 radian measure. Okay. So fourth question. It is tan inverse minus root 3. We find minus tan inverse root 3. Final answer I should say minus pi by 3 or minus 60 degree. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is the fifth question. So we find the final answer 2 pi by 3. Tan inverse minus 1. Straight away, just one line answer baritira. Minus pi by 4. Sec inverse 2 by root 3. Can be taken as cos inverse root 3 by 2, and therefore I should say 30 degree or pi by 6 radian measure. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. cot inverse root 3, tan inverse 1 by root 3, pi by 6, cos inverse minus 1 by root 2, pi minus cos inverse. Property, especially for the cos inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse. Pi ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. Be careful. Take it as formula. Remember this as a formula. Absorb it as a formula. So we're left with 3 pi by 4 final answer. Cosec inverse of, I should say, minus root 2. Minus has been balanced. And therefore we find a final answer. Minus pi by 4 is the answer. 11th question is also find the value. So 3 terms have been given here. So step by step you can proceed. Tan inverse 1 pi by 4. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. To be taken as pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Property ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Minus sin inverse 1 by 2. So this should further give us pi minus this is pi by 3 minus pi by 6. This is nothing but I should say it is 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. You can go for LCM and then final answer should say it is 3 pi by 4. Or ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we have degree ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, it's 45 degree, it's 80 degree, it is minus 60 degree and I should say it is minus 30 degree. So I find 60 and 30, 90 degree, 180 minus 90 degree is 90 degree, 90 degree plus 45 degree is 135 degree. So orally can calculate 135 degree implies it is 45 degree 3 times. 45 degree pi by 4 3 times. 3 pi by 4 should be the answer. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 3 pi by 4 or it's 135 degree can be done answer solution. Left to you, depends upon the marks also. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Cos inverse 1 by 2 plus here we find 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So for this I know the angle, for this I know the angle. Let's go for this pi by 3, but 2 cannot be ignored. Be careful about this. I find 2 capacity, sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So 1s and 3s simplifies to pi by 3, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Degree ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse of minus 2. This is minus. Be careful about this minus also. We have minus capitalities. Take a bracket and I should say it is pi minus sec inverse 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 and minus has been opened. We have minus pi. Minus into minus we find plus. This should give us pi by 3. So final answer should say it is pi by 3 plus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 minus pi. So calculation left to you. Last conclusion will be minus pi by 3 is the solution. This is a 14th question answer. Okay, 11th I had discussed, 12th I had discussed, and I think 13th I had not discussed here because 13th question here text they say it is amongst the option. It is if sin inverse x equal to y, then ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That means y means what here? They are asking for the range of sin inverse x function existence. So what is the range for sin inverse x? It is minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 closed interval. So this option fails, this option failed, this option failed. B is the correct answer. This already I discussed here. Okay, answer is B option. It's minus pi by 3. Okay, so this should be the exercise 2.1 and followed by you find the various properties, and properties already have given the notes also. This property is very important. This property is very important. Formula also, numerical part also. This property definitely they'll ask you to prove that. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Repeatedly we have seen this question. Okay, so practice this question. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, solve, show that. Okay, prove that, show that. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ simplify the function. Simplify the function. Okay, so these all questions, take it as homework and solve them. Simplify the function. Okay, now you find exercise 2.2. So 2.2, prove the following. Already we have done it. Prove that. We have done it. So prove that. It's a very interesting question. Prove that. It's also quite interesting question. Then write in the simplest form. Question odi. Okay, all these questions already we have done it. Isn't it? So solve these questions. Now simplify the function. But you find the value and evaluate agutte idu. Find the value. ಇದು evaluate. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ find the value of x ಅಂದಾಗ solve for x ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. This is solve for x. But I think 11th question onwards I have highlighted. Once again I solved it. Let me go for solution of this. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ already we have discussed. In my previous video also we discussed. Let me go for 11th question solution onwards. So find the value ಅಂದಾಗ evaluate ಅಂದಂಗೆ. So what do you mean sin inverse 1 by 2? 30 degree. Pi by 6. 30 degree double is 60 degree. So we find cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? Value is 1 by 2. 2 gets eliminated. Only the tan inverse 1. Answer is pi by 4. but writing is also very important. So I have given a solution part for here, how to write. So exercise 2.2 11 question, tan inverse of so and so, sin inverse 1 by 2 bracket alle bracket terms use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, it's pi by 6, I mean 30 degree. So 2 pi by 6 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ I should say 1s are 3s are pi by 3. So cos 60 degree, answer I have taken here 1 by 2, 2 gets eliminated, we have tan inverse 1, therefore pi by 4. So this question can be given for 2 marks. Got it? This question is evaluate in the question ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next question I should say 12th question, and 12th question we find cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. So after seeing this tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, what do you remember? What comes in your mind? The property which says pi by 2. So we are left with cot pi by 2 and answer should be 0. 13th question, it's once again evaluate and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the value and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we are left out with here, so and so all the terms have been given. So obviously after seeing this, what comes in your mind? Substitution method. What comes in your mind? Substitution method. But after seeing this, you remember 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Ille 1 minus tan square theta, denominator 1 plus tan square theta. But remember, illi tan ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದೇ theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಾರದು, because this is a different angle. This claims some triangle with some angle theta, where you find opposite and hypotenuse, sign is defined. Or ಇದು ಅದೇ triangle theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ, some different angle for which a triangle exists, where I find adjacent, where I find hypotenuse as 1 plus y square. So what should be done? ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. There are two different angles. Tan remains same. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು 2 ಥೀಟಾ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ tan function tan, but for different angles. So say x is equal to tan alpha, here say y is equal to tan beta. So according to simple substitution, claim it here, we find sin inverse of sin 2 alpha, we find cos inverse of cos 2 beta, which will result to 2 alpha, which will result to 2 beta. ಹೊರಗಡೆ 1 by 2 ಇದೆ, 2 taken common, we are left with tan of alpha plus beta. Now again you have an option, tan of alpha plus beta and the ತಕ್ಷಣ definitely formula comes in your mind. Please go ahead, tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, tan alpha tan beta, and then tan alpha can be replaced back with x and y. All the terms andre alpha beta ಕಾಣಬಾರ್ದು, because alpha and beta are the terms which you have introduced. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ xy ಇರಬೇಕು. So final answer should be in terms of x and y. We have x plus y denominator 1 minus xy is the final answer. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನೀವು ಓಡ್ತೀರಾ. So I have taken here alpha replaced back, tan inverse x, beta replaced back, tan inverse y. Again tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. We have tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So property applies, and final answer we have x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Either this approach from this step I have given you, or option, or this step. So this should be the answer. 14th question we find here, solve for x. Notice sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. So obviously inverse trigonometry ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin inverse 1 I know the value. Obviously I go for sin inverse 1. Once I know the value pi by 2. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. So pi by 2 is something special here we find. I can take pi by 2 minus sin inverse ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I find the result cos inverse 1 by 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Property can be applied. Cos inverse gets eliminated, and the final answer should say it is x is equal to 1 by 5. Should be solution. Or either step ಅಲ್ಲಿ become pi by 2 minus cos inverse x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಳಿಯೋದು sin inverse x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆ sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1 by 5 ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ solution x equal to 1 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Depends how you want to use the property. The next question here we find 15th one. It is solve for x ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗಿದೆ question, but don't give up. Apply the formula. There's no other option for us. Tan inverse solve for x ಅಂತಿದೆ. So the whole equation is taken. Tan inverse of x plus y denominator 1 minus x into y is equal to pi by 4. And the solution ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, but you need to work it out. Go for LCM. solve it from your side, and all the terms, be careful about this minus, okay, all the term I expanded here, and I got an equation as 2x square is equal to 1. Do simplification once, and then you can cross check the answer. We are left out with x square is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore last answer should say it is x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This should be the solution. Okay. So apart from this also, you find so many questions are there in your text, like find the value, homework question, almost everything we had discussed it here. So these all questions, find the value of x, ನೋಡಿ find the value, evaluate ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗಿದು. Find the value of x ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ the whole equation to be solved. Simplify ಅಂದಾಗ substitution method ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Prove that ಅಂದಾಗ start with LHS, conclude for RHS. Along with this, please have a look on the miscellaneous examples also. Miscellaneous, all the questions to be taken as homework. Solve ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ questions ಅನ್ನ. Okay, including this exercise also, ನೋಡಿ find the value, prove that question. Okay, all these questions we have discussed in my notes, they are there. Prove that. Okay, solve the following equations. Okay, and please have a glance on summary, domain and range they are highlighted here. This chart you have to remember. Okay, all the properties they are discussed. So please have a glance. Okay, this completes the inverse trigonometry chapter. But let me make one more video on the previous year questions. As well as the, if time permits, even I'll go for the graphs of inverse trigonometry function. Not so important, but ishtella kalta mele ಬಹುಶಃ graphical presentation kuda kaltre, I think that should be the full stop given for this chapter. So I think 1 or 2 more videos we can expect on this inverse trigonometry chapter to wind up. Okay, solve all the questions. Thank you.